Hi friends, this is the practice set for lesson 43. It is adding decimals and subtracting decimals, and I'm excited to do some practice with you. First off, $6.32 plus $5. Now, I hope that you remember, I'm going to erase this part right here, maybe. Okay, and we're going to put the $5 right under our decimal, under our $6, and then we are going to add these together, I believe. Yes. So let's add 2 plus 0. Love this. 3 plus 0. Love this. Decimal point 11 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Getting too excited. Remember to put your decimal. Next one. We're going to add these up. 5 plus 5, 0. Carry our 1. 0, carry our 1. We have the answer is just flat across $5. 46 cents plus 64 cents. A couple of ways that you can do this. You can do it mentally. You can line it up as decimals. I'm just going to look at this. I know that 6 plus 4 is, let's see. You know what? I'm going to just 64. I like my decimals. 46. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry our 1. 11. Because we put these decimals, we're dropping our decimals, and it is $1.10. The next one here is 98 cents minus 89 cents. And so I'm going to go 98, and I'm going to do a decimal, minus 89. And here we go. Oh, I'm going to need to carry or regroup. 18 minus 9 is 9. 8 minus 8 is 0, so it's 9 cents that's left. $1.46 minus 87 cents. Now, they are trying to trick you on this one. You don't want to mix cent signs and decimal signs. It's best to keep everything the same. And so in this situation, I'm going to say $1.46. Make sure your decimal point is right there. And then put decimal 87. And then subtract. Get everything lined up and make sure that you're working with the same things. So 6 minus 7, not going to work. We regroup. 16 minus 7, much better. It is going to be 9. 3 minus 8, not going to work. We're moving our 10 tens over here. 13 minus 8 is 5, and so 59 cents is the answer. I'm going to scroll up here. 79 cents minus 5 cents, or 76. So you can 76. I'm going to keep everything in decimals. I just find that it's a little cleaner, and I know what I need to do. So here we go. 76 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 0 is 7. So 71 cents. Next one, 5 and 6/10 plus 5 and 6/10. We have not messed around a lot with decimals that are only in the tenths area, but we treat it just the way we would anything else that we've had that are decimals. We say 5 and 6/10 plus 5 and 6/10. I want you to know Mrs. Daw is calling this 6/10 and not 0.6, because I think it's easier for us to remember the value when we give it the correct name. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry our 1. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. And so we have 11 and 2/10. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 7 is 0. We put our decimal down. 2 minus 1 is 1. And finally, the answer for I wasn't going to draw out all the columns, is 1 and 2/25 hundredths. And the answer for J, this is not correct, is, let me see, 25 hundredths. And there you have it, the practice set for lesson 43. Have a good one.